Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be using the Claude Code inside our VS Code. So we'll see how we can add. So we need to just move to our extension section and just type in Claude Code here, and you'll see some bunch of extension here. Okay, there are similar extension, but you need to install the one which is from the Anthropic. So if you click on it, you will see this is from Anthropic. So you need to install this one. Okay. Once this is done, let's get back and command N, and you will notice there is an icon inside your VS Code. If you don't see it, you probably just restart your VS Code and you'll start getting it. Okay. So once you see that, just click on it and you'll see a chat window is available for you inside your VS Code, where you can just put in your command. You can give instruction to the Claude Code and it will do work for you. Okay, for example, let me take a basic example. Create a voice assistant Python code for me and generate file. Okay, so this is a basic example. So it will start uh, taking instruction, doing the processing, and then it will create file for me and add code there. Great. So you can see here, it created a file for me with complete code of voice assistant. Okay. And now it is asking for like the permission if you want to allow this to write into a particular file with name voice assistant.py. You can either allow or you can disallow. That's up to you. So that's how you use the Claude Code inside your VS Code. Thanks for watching.